to show the other colors. If you want to, like, hypothetically speaking, if she's wearing it with something busy, she wants it on the plain side, twist it one more time. If the size is too big, you're going to fold it in half, this way. And basically we're going to take one side, the same principle. We're going to do the same look, but this is folded in half. We're going to unfold from here and bring it back. Same look, but this is less
bulky.
So then we could do like the other look. If you want it like with a jacket, if you want to wear it, you could fold it in half this way. We're going to do it like fold it once again in a triangular shape. And then we're going to roll it. And basically we're going to do it around.
That's nice, Mom.
We're going to tuck these two ends to give us underneath, to give us some bulkiness, to give us some, like, you know, and this is with the jacket. If even she gets the jacket around it, it looks very good. The other look, yeah, in the winter. You could, like, maybe you want to, you know, pick the other colors on the inside. We roll it, and basically, a lot of people take two, like this.
Yeah.
They leave it like this.
I know how to do that.
You could take only one instead of two. And you see the middle piece here? We're going to go over it and under this. It gives us a braid look. Not too tight. I like it a little bit loose. This look, I don't know what look number. Then,
look number 10.
Okay. Then if you want to do like the tie look, what I showed you earlier, you could take one end, make a knot.
Oh, somebody's coming through your
From the bathroom. That's our bathroom. Sorry, this is not supposed to be getting distracted. Okay, it's our secret bathroom, by the way. Welcome to the old city, sir. And that's some of the, you know, the looks you could do with the scarf.
Okay.
Thank you.